Hi friends, welcome back to Stockwood channel, a channel where we discuss investing strategies with facts. So friends, as you would have seen in the thumbnail, today we are going to talk about three stocks in the API industry. So before we delve into this particular video and talk more about the stocks, I want to talk a bit about API industry. To understand what an API is basically a biological active component that goes into the manufacturing of a drug product. That can be a capsule, a cream, or a tablet. So this is basically a building block for manufacturing of the tablets and other pharmaceutical products. All right. It may be various components that we are not going to dwell about. Just to give an idea about what a biological active component is, this definition I think will help you. Also, before we get further into this video, humble request from my side to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. So this particular API industry is poised to grow in a sustainable manner for a long period of time because there is a rapid advancement in the pharmaceutical industry in the last couple of years. As you know, there might be a lot of chronic disease that is discovered, and there are more and more drugs that are being developed by the pharmaceutical industry. So once more and more drugs are manufactured by the pharmaceutical industry, the demand for the APIs are also expected to go high. Also, because there is a huge health consciousness in the North American and the Asian market, the industry is expecting that more and more drugs will be sold in this region, and that is why API industry is also going to grow in a sustainable manner in the next couple of years. And another important factor in this particular API industry growth story is after the COVID pandemic, most of the pharmaceutical industry are looking for alternative sources for their APIs. So currently in the API industry, China holds a major share with almost 37 billion dollars, while India is only around $4 billion. So with the China plus one trend that is going in the pharmaceutical industry, even if we expect that a small amount of just say around 1/10 of the China business is moved to India, the API industry in India is expected to double from 4 billion to 8 billion. So also, friend, the reason I take about the industry analysis before any stock analysis is before we invest in any particular stock, it is necessary for everyone to invest with a firm conviction about the industry. So that is why I talk about the industry before I talk about the stock specifics. Right. Also, if you're interested to understand about the framework that I use for choosing a particular stock, I've made a separate video about it. I'll be tagging somewhere in the video. Please check that video as well. So moving further with the stock analysis, the stock number one which I am going to talk is a small cap stock which has a market cap of around 3.4k crores and has a ROCE of 15% and ROE of 12.8%. This company was incorporated in 1947, so this company has a firm fundamentals and has a strong management, and also it has around 36 FDFs and 70 APIs. So FDF are basically the main drugs that will be sold in the pharmaceutical shops. All right, so this is the end product that comes out of a pharmaceutical company. Right, and also this company has presence in almost 55 countries and has a good employee strength, and also they have good regulatory approvals from major countries around the world. So also if you see the price chart of this particular share, it has peaked to around 520 levels around August last year, and now it is currently around 380 rupees. So it is almost corrected almost around 30% from its peaks, and it is currently trading below the 50-day moving average. And also if you see the quarterly results, it is being quite stable the last 10 quarters. If you see for March 2019, it was around 252 crores, and now it is around 358 crores. In between there are minor corrections in the revenues, but overall the revenues have been stable. But if you see the bottom line, that is the profit net profit, it has steadily increased, right? It is almost tripled from what it was in March 2019, from 12 crores to 33 crores. So this is a good indication that this company is doing the business profitably. So also, if you see the product mix of this particular company, it has a wide variety of products, which is well distributed around cardiac, anti-diabetes, pain and analgesics, dermatology. This company has a major share in stomatologicals, which is around 21.5%. Right, and also if you see the region mix, it is well distributed, Europe being the highest, almost less than 50% of its revenue comes from Europe, but also have presence in America and Australian markets. Also, this company is expanding its manufacturing facility at Patal Ganga. So this is a good indication that in the future this company is expecting more sales, right? And also the company is concentrating on backward integration of some of its end products, that is the drugs, by manufacturing their own APIs. So all these things are a good indication to see that the company has a good growth perspective, and also the margins are going to increase because they are planning to manufacture their own APIs for the drugs they are going to sell. Shareholding pattern is also quite stable. If you see, the promoters holding is quite stable, which is almost 60% of the shares, but the FIFs have sold their holding in this company in the last quarter. I think this is a minor issue. I think we should not read much into this particular part, but I just want to bring this to the notice of the viewers. So the company I'm talking about is Indoco Remedies. Moving further to the next stock, the next stock is also a small cap stock, which is almost having around 4.1k crore of market cap, and the ROCE is around a healthy of 34% and ROE of 35%. The quarterly results of this company is also quite healthy. In March 2019, it was around 460 crores. Now it has increased to 635 crores. Right, and also this company is doing quite profitably. It has increased its profit from 40 crores to 79 crores. The shareholding of this company is a bit tricky. If you see, the promoters have sold their stake in this company, and also the FIFs have sold a bit of their stake in this company. The price of this particular company is also has corrected massively, almost around 40%, from a peak of around 800 rupees. It has corrected almost to 45 to 50% now, and it is currently trading at around 450 rupees. So the company I'm talking about is Aarti Drugs, which is also in the API industry. The third stock which I am going to talk is also a small cap stock in the API industry, which has a market cap of around 2.5 crores and ROCE of 15% and 17%. I want to bring this to the notice of the viewers that the company has made good revenues in the last 9 quarters, but in the recent quarter in December, its revenues has drastically reduced almost by 1/4, from 400 crores to 100 crores. And also it has announced losses, almost around 140 crores of losses has been announced by the company. The company has given a statement, the reason for which is the company has taken a new commercial business strategy in which their distribution is currently is led by the distributors. Now it want to sell their products directly to the end customers. So this is the reason why they have told that the company has reduced their revenues and profits. So because of this particular reason, the company has almost corrected to almost 70% from the peak of around 1800 to 600. If you see the shareholding pattern, again here the promoters have sold their stake in this company, but the FIFs have increased their stake in this particular company in the last quarter. The company I'm talking about is Solara Active Pharma Science. So also there was some news about the company CEO resigned from the company. So on that particular day, the company corrected by almost 31 percent in 2 days. So this was a small video about API industry and the 3 stocks that I have invested. Hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.